Hello everyone, this is Lindsay from the Ada Community Libraries. Today we are going to make some sun catchers using wax paper and crayons. So for this project I went ahead and got some crayons, some old crayons that I had lying around, and I used a knife to get some shavings from the crayons. So we're going to need some grown-up help on this one. So you could also use a cheese grater if you have that. We just need some nice crayon shavings. Then we're going to take 2 pieces of wax paper and start putting our pieces of crayon all over the wax paper. Little ones will have a lot of fun with this. Okay. Get that on there. You can put as much or as little as you want. Okay. So when you have it all over your paper, go ahead and get your other piece of wax paper and put it on top. We're gonna head over to the iron, so we're gonna need some more grown-up help to iron these pieces together. Make sure you have an old rag or something that you can place on top of the wax paper so it doesn't stick to your iron or cause a fire or something like that. So we're gonna go over to the iron. All right, so we have our wax paper. Go ahead and put our cloth on top. And then I have my iron on medium heat, and I'm just going to go over that until all the crayon is melted. All right, so I also am going to mention that you may want to put something underneath when you're ironing, because it did actually bleed through onto my ironing board. So that's just something to note. Once you have this, you can go ahead and cut out a shape. I'm going to cut out a rectangle shape. This is good practice with the scissors for the little ones. Okay. Then we're going to put a hole at the top. I have a hole punch, so I'm going to use that. Okay. And then take a piece of string or yarn. Go ahead and thread that through the top. And then make a knot. All right, and then you can go ahead and hang this in your window or by your bed where you can see it. See all those fun colors that we have in there, how they all melted together. Super fun. So yeah, go ahead and give that a try. Thank you for joining me today. We hope to see you soon at the library, so stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.